So I'll share with you 15 items that is on exclusive legislative list. Legislative powers. Legislative powers. Pay attention, you will learn something. All right. The second schedule in Nigerian Constitution talks about legislative powers. Part 1 of it talks about exclusive legislative lists. In this video, we'll be sharing with you exclusive legislative list. Meanwhile, what is exclusive legislative list? Exclusive legislative list are those items that only the federal government have the jurisdiction to legislate on such items. What it simply means that such items can only be legislated or debated by the National Assembly. The State House of Assembly has no business in the exclusive legislative list. There are 68 items in the exclusive legislative list, but in this video, I'll be sharing with you just 15. So we can as well say that this is part 1. So I'll share with you 15 items that is on exclusive legislative list. Don't forget, exclusive legislative lists are those lists that only the federal government, only the National Assembly has the powers to debate on those matters. All right. Number 1, arms, ammunitions, and explosives. Anything that has to do with this subject can only be debated by the National Assembly, the federal government. Number 2, aviation. Number 3, award of national honors. Award of national honors. Number 4, banks. The banking system. All the banks are regulated by Central Bank of Nigeria, which is federal government. Number 5, borrowing money. Even when the state government want to borrow money, they must pass through the federal government. Number 6, census. Number 7, copyrights. Number 8, citizenship. Number 9, creation of states. No state can create another state. Is the federal government exclusive power. Number 10, currency. Number 11, customs and excise duties. Number 12, defense. Number 13, drugs and poisons. Number 14, export duties. Number 15, deportation of persons who are not citizens of Nigeria. All right. I told you we have 68 items on the exclusive legislative list. I've shared only 15. These are items that the state government dare not legislate. The House of Assembly of a state cannot debate on these matters. So when you hear exclusive legislative list, this is what it means. There are also items that they can debate side by side. The state government can debate with the federal government. I will let you know about that one in subsequent videos. That is why you need to hang on with us on legislative powers. If you have learned anything from this video, share it and follow for more.